Alright guys, here we are, Quick Tip Tuesday. If you watched my last quick tip, it was how to prepare breakfast in the morning when you're running late, something I always do. I hit that snooze button in the morning and I'm thinking in my mind, I need to get up so that I can prepare breakfast, but breakfast is usually the first thing to go. I'll skip breakfast, snooze, sleep 10 more minutes, the alarm goes off again. I'll speed to work, snooze, then the alarm goes off again. I'll be late to work, snooze. The alarm goes off again, and I'll quit my job, snooze. No, I'm kidding on that last one. But you know what it's like if you work every day, you're running late, but you still want to prepare your meals. And last week I used the example of preparing your vegetables so that you only have to chop them up and weigh them one time, and you only have to clean up once. This time, something similar, but this is even quicker and easier. And today what we're going to be using is instant oatmeal. And it's not just any oatmeal, it's power oatmeal. In fact, that's my only knock on oatmeal, is that it's low in protein, and right when you wake up you want some kind of protein source, so I either have to cook some eggs or I have to do a protein powder, and I have to complement it with something else. But with this you don't have to do that. You're good to go with the one meal and you can get on the road sooner. So first thing I do is get my food scale ready, and I'm going to use a measuring cup for this, just because it's easier to use to pour into the Ziploc bag because it's got this little spout on it. But also I thought somebody might not have a food scale that's watching this video, and if you don't, then you can also use a measuring cup. With that on there, I'm going to weigh out the oatmeal first, and I'm just using the quick 1 minute oats, and one serving of this is only 40 grams. We're going to do 100 grams of blueberries, so we're just going to drop this in here. So we had 40 on there, so we're just going to make this into 140. And then we're just going to do 3 tablespoons of powdered egg whites. And I learned from this the hard way. I used to use liquid egg whites, but it would tear my stomach up trying to drink them raw like that, so I wouldn't advise that. Okay, so once we have this mixture all in the cup like this, now all I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this whole mixture here and put it in this Ziploc bag. Okay. And seal that up. Shake it around a little bit. Okay, so the most time consuming part about that is this part here, preparing all these bags up. It might take you 10 or 15 minutes to do, but when it's time to actually prepare the oatmeal, we're talking maybe 2 minutes. So all I'm going to do now is add 1 cup of the coconut milk, and a whole cup of this makes it a little bit runny. So if you like your oatmeal a little bit thicker, then you could probably get away with like 3/4 of a cup, or even a 1/2 a cup if you like it really thick. So I just heat that up for about a minute. Alright, this should go without saying, but I'm going to mention it anyway. If you want more protein in this, of course you could add more egg whites. If you add 6 more tablespoons of egg whites, that's going to give you 8 more grams of protein. When I make a video on some kind of recipe, I want to make it edible, and I'm kind of mindful of the texture. Everything that I put in a video, it's wife approved, meaning I have my wife try it and see if it's decent before I actually make a video on it. She tried it with the 3 tablespoons of egg whites and said it tasted pretty good. So something else I wanted to say too. You could also add like a blueberry flavor protein powder to this, but I don't think it would dissolve as well as the egg whites. And the thing about the egg whites is that they're flavorless, so you could put them with any type of flavor. You could change this up. You could use this same recipe for anything and put bananas in it, apples, strawberries, whatever you want. And it's really the same principle. All we're doing is adding egg whites to it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like and try it out for the first time. And we're going to add some Splenda. Okay, but now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Oh man, that's horrible. I give this a 7 out of 10. And I say that just because it's so low in calories and because you're getting most of your calories from carbs and protein. But try it yourself and leave me a comment below what you think. Give me some suggestions on how to make it even better. Like this video if it was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.